You doing it, Connor?
All by yourself.
Are you back too?
I can ride it later.
Please?
You want me to ride my bike too?
Uh-huh.
Can you pedal a little bit more for Mama?
Let's get this tighter though, Mama.
Look at that doggy! Look at that doggy! See doggy?
There's a doggy.
Yeah, it's a little doggy. Can you ride your bike all by yourself?
But not.
Oh, you're riding like a big boy, buddy. Oh, he's got a toy, huh?
Don't have the toy.
Daddy has a toy.
What toy? Look at that doggy.
There's two of them, yeah.
Two of them?
Can you count them? 1, 2.
You go forward. You get going.
Push this foot.
Push.
That one. There you go. There you go. Can you go
You
around
turn?
Mama? Get some speed going, buddy. You can start going straight first. Now you can turn once you start going.
Whoa, Connor. Go fast, fast,
Fast. You go fast.
fast.
Keep going, keep going.
Go, go.
Do the racing. The racing.
Is he racing? Just gotta get one of them to the top for him to go. There you go. What are you doing?
Get stuck.
You are not stuck. You just
Use your muscles.
use your muscles, Superman. Almost too big for that bike.
Yeah. I can raise the seat. Uh-oh. Car. Car.